How to make your lips look bigger in 2 minutes. Creating the appearance of fuller lips without injections or permanent changes can be done with makeup and a few beauty tricks. I am Natalie, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna show you my 3 easy steps to achieving fuller lips in just minutes. So step number 1 is exfoliating your lips. This is gonna make the lips look immensely bigger. It's gonna get all those dead skin cells off and it's gonna let the blood flowing and just make your lips look way more plump. You can use a lip scrub, the one I use is from NXY in a flavored sweet taste, it's so yummy. You also can use this lip scrub brush. The brush is shaped like lips and thanks to the attached suction cup you can smoothly hold the brush between your fingers to scrub your lips. By gently exfoliating your lips, this brush creates silky and smooth lips. Now that our lips are exfoliated, fresh and plump, I'm gonna move on to step 2. And that is lip liner. One of my favorite lip liners that I basically use is this ESTEE Lauder Double Wear 24 Hours Stay in Place in the shade Blush. My trick when it comes to lip liner, I love to overline my lips, but you really want to make sure that when you're overlining your lips but you're doing it in the very center, and when you're going towards the edges you want to stay true to your line. The bottom it's going to be the same. We're going to start true to the sides of our lips. I like to do is just drag the lip liner into the lip but not all the way to the end. Then at the bottom just begin to color that in and drag it towards the center. Our lip liner is done, so we move on to step 3 and that's lipstick. I like to go in with a more matte lipstick. Because if you're overlining your lips and you use a glossy lipstick, the gloss is really going to show that crease. Now we are completely done. I will list the products used below. I give you a few tips. Stick to lighter shades for a fuller look, as dark shades can make lips appear smaller. Avoid overloading on too many products, less is often more for a realistic appearance. Practice makes perfect, experiment to find what works best for your lips shape. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you decided to try this out on yourself, I'm really curious to see how it worked on you, so let me know in the comments. Also let me know if you have other hacks to make your lips look fuller. A huge thank you for watching my videos. If you don't want to miss my next videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video.